Want your car to last 200,000 miles or more? It's not luck, it's maintenance. Whether you're driving a 10-year-old daily or a brand new ride, routine care is what separates a smooth, reliable car from a headache on wheels. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete car maintenance schedule, from weekly checks to major milestones. Everything you need to know to keep your car running longer, safer, and cheaper. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. These are the small checks that make a big difference, weekly or every other week. Tire pressure. Check and adjust PSI to what's printed on your door jamb. Low pressure equals more fuel used and faster wear. Look under the car. Check for leaks like oil or coolant. Even a small drip can turn into a major repair. Tire condition. Look for nails, cracks, or uneven wear. Wiper condition and windshield clarity. Streaks and smears, replace the blades. Every month, oil level, use the dipstick. Low oil leads to engine damage fast. Coolant reservoir. Make sure it's between the MI and max lines. Washer fluid, keep it full, especially in bug-heavy or winter months. Lights, check all bulbs, including brake, reverse, and license plate lights. Now let's talk about recurring tasks most people know about, but many still skip. Oil change and oil filter. Stick to your vehicle's interval. Use synthetic oil if possible. Always replace the oil filter with every change. Tire rotation. Rotate front to back or cross pattern depending on tire type. Prevents uneven wear. Brake inspection. Check pad thickness and rotor condition. Listen for squealing or grinding. Top off fluids. Brake fluid, power steering, coolant, and washer fluid. Battery terminals. Clean any corrosion. A corroded terminal can prevent your car from starting. Now, we're getting into the stuff that people forget about until the car starts acting up. Air filter. If it's full of dust or debris, replace it. Your engine needs clean air to run efficiently. Cabin air filter replaces the air you breathe. A dirty one means poor airflow and funky smells. Brake fluid flush. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Flushing it every 2 years keeps brakes responsive. Inspect suspension. Look at shocks, struts, and bushings. Worn parts cause bouncy rides and poor handling. Alignment check crooked steering wheel, uneven tire wear. You might be out of alignment. Hitting that 50,000 mile mark, these parts are probably due for service. Spark plugs, worn plugs cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and rough starts. Coolant flush replaces old antifreeze and prevents overheating. Serpentine belt, cracked or glazed, replace it before it breaks. Transmission fluid, if your system isn't sealed, have it checked or flushed. Fuel filter, if your vehicle has a serviceable filter, replace it for better MPG and engine protection. This is where great cars keep going and neglected ones fall apart. Timing belt or chain. If it snaps, the engine can be totaled. Replace it according to schedule. Water pump, often replaced with the timing belt, prevents engine overheating. Motor mounts. Worn mounts cause engine vibration and clunking. Oxygen sensors. Bad sensors can cause poor mileage and trigger the check engine light. Drivetrain inspection, check CV joints, axles, and drive shafts for wear. Now let's go over what to check with the seasons. Spring, wash off salt underneath, check for pothole damage, test the AC. Summer, inspect coolant, belts, hoses, and battery terminals. Keep the radiator clean. Fall, check tire tread depth, swap wiper blades, test the battery before winter. Winter, use freeze-resistant washer fluid, check tire pressure weekly, and carry an emergency kit. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. You just need a plan. Follow these steps, keep track of your intervals, and your car will stay reliable for years to come. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe to DIY with Dad for more real-world car and home maintenance guides. And let me know in the comments, how many of these do you stay on top of?